Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a new Trust wallet. Begin by downloading the official app, then tap Create a new wallet. Set a strong passcode, enable biometrics, and back up the 12-word recovery phrase on paper. Verify the phrase by re-entering it when prompted. Add a small test transaction to confirm access, and review wallet settings for security options like Face ID and passcode intervals. Protecting your recovery phrase is the single most important step. Treat the 12-word phrase like cash. Write it down, store it offline, and never photograph or type it. Consider splitting the phrase across secure locations or using a fireproof metal backup for extra durability. Regularly check your storage method to ensure it remains intact and accessible only to you. Losing the phrase means losing funds permanently, so prioritize safety. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support our channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long setup sessions, and it fits cup holders for on-the-go crypto work. I love the leak-proof cap during hectic moments when security tasks demand focus. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adding coins and tokens is straightforward and safe when done carefully. Use the wallet search to find popular tokens, or add a custom token by pasting the contract address exactly. Toggle visibility for each asset to keep your list tidy. Send a small test amount first to confirm everything is correct before moving larger sums. Enable token price tracking and portfolio view to monitor your holdings and activity easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.